Are you curious about massive future cash giveaways that reward true engagement? Want to learn how to claim your share and join a community that helps you master your money? Stick around! In this video, we're diving into the absolute basics of saving money, a skill that can transform your entire financial future. Plus, I'll reveal exactly how you can be ready for our incredible future prizes. Don't go anywhere! Let's start with the fundamental question. Why is saving money so incredibly important? In today's world, it often feels like money comes in and goes right back out. But saving isn't just about accumulating a big number in a bank account. It's about building a foundation for your entire financial life. Think of it as a financial superpower. Saving gives you security. It builds that emergency fund, protecting you from unexpected expenses. It gives you freedom. Freedom from living paycheck to paycheck, freedom to pursue opportunities, and eventually, freedom to retire or pursue your passions. It allows for future growth. Saved money can be invested and grow exponentially through compound interest. Without saving, you're always vulnerable to life's surprises. It truly is the first, most crucial step on your journey to financial freedom. So, how do you actually start? The first step to effective saving is a crucial mindset shift, followed by celebrating small wins. Many people feel like they don't earn enough to save. But saving isn't about how much you earn, it's about what you do with what you earn. It's about intentionality. Start small, dear. Even 5 or 10 units of your local currency per week is a powerful beginning. Don't underestimate the power of consistently putting away small amounts. Those small wins build confidence and momentum. Think about it. 10 units a week is over 500 units a year. Find one small habit you can change. Skip one expensive coffee, pack your lunch once more, or cancel an unused subscription. Redirect that money straight into a separate savings account. This isn't about deprivation, it's about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Every single unit of currency you save is a step towards your brighter financial future. Now, let's talk about the most powerful saving strategy. Automate and pay yourself first. This is where you remove willpower from the equation. As soon as you get paid, before you pay any bills or spend on anything else, have a set amount of money automatically transferred from your bank account to your dedicated savings account. This could be a traditional savings account, but even better, a high-yield savings account, HYSA, which offers better interest rates. By paying yourself first, you ensure your financial goals are prioritized. This simple trick bypasses the temptation to spend because the money is already gone from your main account. Set it and forget it. Whether it's 25, 50, or 100 units of currency per paycheck, consistent automation is the secret sauce to building substantial savings over time without even thinking about it. Finally, to truly master saving, you need to track, review, and optimize your progress. Knowing where your money goes is essential for gaining financial clarity. Regularly check your savings account balance. Celebrate its growth. This visual progress is incredibly motivating. Look for new opportunities to save, maybe negotiating bills, finding cheaper insurance, or cutting back on less used services. Life changes, so your savings plan might need tweaking too. The goal is to make saving a consistent, enjoyable habit, not a burden. Remember, every unit of currency saved is a unit working for you, giving you more choices and control. It's the foundation for your emergency fund, your investments, and ultimately, your true financial freedom. Alright, amazing audience, let's talk giveaways and growth. Our ultimate goal, 100,000 subscribers. Once our community hits 100,000 subscribers, we're launching a weekly $100 cash giveaway, every single week. This is our commitment to you. That's why, to become the most probable participant for those future prizes, like this video and subscribe us, share this video with your family and friends. And the best part is you must comment one key learning from today's lesson on this video to become winner. For more entries, check out any of our other videos and leave a thoughtful, genuine comment from each video's lesson. Here's how we pick our lucky winner each week. We use a transparent and randomized comment picker tool that selects from all eligible and insightful comments across our entire channel each week. Crucial for eligibility, you must follow us on Instagram, handle in description. If you don't, we won't be able to reach you for prize distribution, and you will lose your prize. Our commitment, best finance knowledge and support for your journey. As our numbers climb, expect more massive giveaways. Stay smart, engage deeply, and join us now. Hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video, where we unveil budgeting like a boss, master your money and build wealth.